Welcome to Weekly Recap, your go-to source for understanding the stock market, brought to you by CBN Financial. I'm your host, Anne, with a passion for turning complex financial news into clear, actionable insight. Whether you're just getting started in investing or you're a seasoned trader, this week's update will give you a better grasp of the markets, explain key financial terms, and help you make smarter choices for your financial future. This week in the stock market, we saw a mix of volatility and optimism. The S&P 500 closed slightly higher after a week of back-and-forth trading, ending Friday up just under 1%. The Nasdaq Composite, which is heavy with tech stocks, led the gains this week, driven by strong earnings reports from big names like Apple and AMD. Apple's stock jumped after the company reported better than expected iPhone sales, a reminder of how earnings season can move markets quickly. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which includes more traditional blue-chip companies, remained relatively flat, signaling investor caution in sectors like banking and energy. One key phrase we're hearing a lot this week is market correction. A correction is a 10% drop from recent highs and is a normal part of market cycles. It doesn't always mean a crash is coming. Corrections often provide opportunities for long-term investors to buy quality stocks at lower prices. Another big topic this week: interest rates. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady during Wednesday's meeting, but Chairman Powell hinted that future cuts could come if inflation continues to ease. So, what does that mean? Well, when the Fed lowers rates, it usually becomes cheaper to borrow money, which can encourage more business activity and consumer spending, factors that often boost the stock market. Let's break down another important term: diversification. This simply means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Investors who diversify their portfolios by including different sectors like tech, healthcare, and energy can better protect themselves from volatility in any one area. Also worth noting, oil prices dipped slightly this week as global demand showed signs of softening. This impacted energy stocks like ExxonMobil and Chevron. At the same time, gold prices ticked up, a typical move when investors get nervous and seek safer assets known as safe havens. To wrap it up, this week in the markets was all about balancing strong earnings with lingering concerns over inflation and global growth. The key takeaway: stay informed, stay diversified, and always invest with your long-term goals in mind. Thanks for tuning in to Weekly Recap, powered by CBN Financial, where we break down the markets and make finance make sense. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with someone looking to get smarter about their money.